Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare beans stew sweet adjeley. First, soak 2 cups of black-eyed peas overnight. This crucial step softens the beans, making them easier to cook and digest. Soaking also helps reduce the overall cooking time, ensuring your stew comes together more quickly. After soaking, drain the water and rinse the beans thoroughly under cold running water. This prepares them perfectly for the next stage of our delicious recipe. Next, place your rinsed black-eyed peas into a large pot and add 6 cups of fresh water. Bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the beans are tender. This usually takes about 45 to 60 minutes. Remember to add 1 teaspoon of salt during the last 15 minutes of cooking. The goal is for the beans to be soft and creamy, but still hold their shape, ready for the flavorful stew. Now, let's create the sweet stew base. In a separate pot, heat 1/4 cup of palm oil over medium heat. Sauté 1 large chopped onion until it becomes translucent and fragrant. Then, add 2 tablespoons of ginger-garlic paste, cooking for about 2 minutes until aromatic. Stir in 1/2 cup of tomato paste and 1/4 cup of brown sugar, mixing well to combine these sweet and savory elements for our unique adjeley flavor. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your tender, cooked black-eyed peas to the sweet stew base. Stir gently to ensure all the beans are coated with the rich, flavorful sauce. Let the stew simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken slightly. Serve your delicious sweet adjeley beans stew hot, perhaps with some fried plantains or steamed rice for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.